Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make salad na Langka. First, gather your ingredients, including 1 medium unripe jackfruit, coconut milk, and various spices. Next, carefully peel the jackfruit and chop it into small, uniform pieces. Then, boil these pieces until they are tender, which usually takes around 20 minutes. This initial preparation is crucial for achieving the perfect texture in your salad. Once your jackfruit is tender, it's time to build the flavor. Sauté minced garlic, chopped onions, and grated ginger in a pan until they become fragrant. Then, add the boiled jackfruit pieces to the pan. Pour in 1 cup of rich coconut milk, ensuring all ingredients are well combined. Let this mixture simmer gently until the liquid reduces and thickens, infusing the jackfruit with creamy goodness. After the jackfruit mixture has cooled completely, you can begin assembling your salad. Transfer the flavorful jackfruit to a large bowl. Now, add your favorite fresh vegetables, such as diced bell peppers or sliced cucumbers for added crunch and color. Finally, whisk together a simple dressing of vinegar, a teaspoon of sugar, and a pinch of salt. Then toss it all together gently. For the best flavor, chill your Langka salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Garnish your delicious creation with fresh cilantro or a sprinkle of toasted coconut flakes for an extra touch. This salad is perfect as a side dish or a light meal. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade salad na Langka.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.